Hi everyone, and welcome back to Beverly's Stunning Creations. In today's DIY, we'll be using some vases from Dollar Tree and Goodwill, as well as other inexpensive items. I also want to let you guys know that we are finally done moving. So hopefully I'm back to my regular uploads with no more interruptions. But I must admit guys, I do need some motivation. So show me some love by liking my videos. That will help inspire me and help my channel as well. So let's try to get this video up to 1,500 likes. I think we can do it. Also, make sure you watch to the end of the video because I am going to need your input and suggestions. Now on to the DIY. Start out with a clean vase of your choice. Make sure the inside is clean because we're going to be using this looking glass spray paint to spray the inside. I'm going to do about 4 coats of the spray paint. The spray paint is completely dry, and this is the look that we'll be creating today. We're going to take the beads that I showed you earlier in the video, and we're just going to glue one row down. And I'll be using a really strong glue along with some hot glue to make sure that it's a permanent hold. All you want to do is spread some glue in a straight line all the way down the vase. Grab your beads along with the hot glue gun and then glue the very first bead in place. Once your first bead is attached, lay your vase down. Continue to add hot glue as you glue the beads onto the vase. Now the beads that I'm using are from Walmart. They are a little bit smaller than the ones that you get at Dollar Tree. And I actually prefer these over the Dollar Tree ones. Now when you get to the bottom of the vase, try not to glue your beads all the way down to the very end because we're going to wrap more beads around the bottom of the vase at the end. Now that you're done with your first row, go on and start your second row of beads. My first sets of beads are about a ½ inch to an inch apart. Once I've done that all the way around the vase, I'll come back in and add another row of beads between each set of beads. I'll continue to add the first set of beads off camera and then come back and add the second set of beads. Now that the first set of beads are on, I'll go ahead and add the second set of beads. And again, we'll install these beads the same way we did the first time. I'm using some Gorilla Glue along with some hot glue. Here's the look that we're going for. So what I'll do is go ahead and finish the rest of them off camera. Come back and let you see what that looks like. This is what the vase looks like after adding my second set of beads. As you can see, the beads are uneven at the bottom. So to give this a more finished look, I'm going to add a string of beads around the bottom of the vase. Here I'm just looking for a spot to glue on my first bead. Again, I'll be using my Gorilla Glue along with some hot glue to glue these beads in place as well. Start out by gluing your first bead in one of the spaces that has a larger gap. As you're gluing the string of beads around the base, you'll see that you will have to remove some of the previous beads to make space for the new string of beads. I'll glue the remaining beads on off camera, come back and let you guys see what it looks like. Okay everyone, so here's my completed vase and I absolutely love it. As I turn the vase around, you'll see here and there that I have a few small open spaces, but that doesn't take away from the look at all. If you have some leftover beads, you can always trim the top out with the beads as well. Now I'll add some flowers to this vase. Come back and let you guys see what it looks like. There will be a complete listing of all the items used in this DIY in the description box below. Starting out with a vase that I picked up at Goodwill. It's very similar to the one that Dollar Tree carries, but it's larger. And I'll also be using this lid from one of my Dollar Tree jars. I cleaned the jar and sprayed the inside with 4 layers of the Looking Glass spray paint, as well as the inside of the lid, and let them both dry. Unfortunately, the file's corrupted and I don't have the DIY, but as you can see, I simply added some of the flower bling at an angle, 4 strips to be exact, and then glued on some beads right beside it, around the bottom. Added some flower bling and beads on the lid as well, and here's my completed look. And again, I'm really happy with this piece as well. I think it turned out really beautiful. And for my third and final piece, I used one of the Dollar Tree vases along with the lid from one of my candles. I painted the inside of both pieces with the Looking Glass spray paint, and this is how it turned out. Very shiny, blingy, and beautiful. I decided not to add any flower bling or beads. I liked it just the way it looked. Here are all 3 pieces together, and I think they complement each other very well. And all 3 can be used as vases. Just simply remove the lids and insert some flowers. And I forgot to mention that the flowers you see are white roses that I spray painted silver, and I purchased those from Dollar Tree as well. Okay guys, this concludes my DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. That's very important. Let's try and get this video up to 1,500 likes. that would mean the world to me. I really got to get on my game. I'm sorry that so much has happened in the last year and I haven't been able to upload as much as I want to, but I plan on bringing you guys new content this year, a whole lot more videos and giveaways as well. And if you've never commented before, after you like the video, comment, I like the video. I would truly love to see that. And one last thing, guys, I am definitely going to need your help. I recently purchased this king size bed, and now that we've moved, my space is half the size of my previous bedroom. So now I have the challenge of making this bed work in this bedroom, as well as decorating it. And again, I would like for you guys to help me out. Also, my son is coming over tomorrow to put my bed together. So if you guys would like to see that, comment that below. And don't forget to comment your favorite piece from this DIY. Alright guys, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.